Okay, if your lawnmower's been sitting up all winter like mine, you probably need to do some checks on it. And I bought this Black & Decker charger that has this battery reconditioning setting on it. And what that's nice for is you can check the condition of your battery, and if it's an older battery, it can bring life back into it. So I had one of my trucks, and I thought, you're gonna have to buy a new battery, but they're like $150 a piece now. So put this recondition on it, and it brought it back to life. I hadn't had to buy the battery yet. The date on the battery is still pretty old, so what I can check is voltage, 12.9 volts, which isn't bad. This was a new battery last year. But there's this recondition, which it'll sit there and pulse the battery and get where it'll hold the charge again. So I think this one's probably pretty good. I'm just gonna trickle charge it for a little while and see, it's already up to voltage. So shut that back off. I'll do a little reconditioning and just top it off until I'm ready to start it. Now let's check the oil, filter, fresh gas, oil, gas, battery seals good. Let's see what shows. Sitting several months.